Hi, my name is Mrs. Martin, and I am a teacher at Cybe Elementary School. And I'm here today with my son,
Eli.
And we're going to show you how to make a paper mache volcano. So, Eli, can you tell us what materials we need?
So we need one box, magazines or old newspapers, a stirring device, a bowl, a cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt,
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, and 1 cup of water.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we are going to mix our ingredients so that we can make a glue or a paste so that we can adhere the newspaper. Mm-hmm. So Eli's going to go ahead and mix this together. If you want to go ahead and add in the flour, and I'll add in the water. And it's equal parts 1 cup flour to 1 cup water, and then 2 tablespoons of salt. Okay, so Eli has stirred this together, and we're going to show you the consistency. So you can see it's kind of like pancake batter. But Eli, how does it feel when you're stirring this?
It feels gooey and kind of looks really sticky.
So it should be perfect paste for what we're about to do. So the next step, we need to take our box. We're going to set the glue to the side, and we're going to take our box, and we want to open up our box, and this is where we're going to build our volcano. And then with your newspapers, you're going to tear your newspaper, and Eli, you can help me do this. We're going to tear them into 1-inch strips. So I just take 2 fingers and I just pull down, usually from the fold. It doesn't matter if you're using newspapers or if you're using magazines. Right now, we found that a lot of us don't have newspaper, and so it can be difficult for you to find newspaper. These are ads that have come in the mail, but you can also use old magazines, and you're just going to do the same thing. You're just going to strip about 1-inch strips. They don't have to be perfect so that we have a big pile. What I forgot to mention is you're going to need a water bottle that, or some sort of a cup or device that you're going to put in the middle of your box. And then Eli, we're just going to take some of these larger pieces and we're going to wad that up. We're just going to make balls. And we're going to stick these around the outside of our bottle. And it doesn't have to be perfect. As you begin to lay your strips in there, you're going to mold it the way you want it. So you're going to take your strips and you're going to dip them into your paste. And so you are going to get messy for this. And so what I like to do is I like to just stick the whole strip into my paste. And then as I pull it up, I'm going to slide it through my fingers, removing the excess paste. And on my bottle, I want to stick this to the top of the bottle and then coming down to the base of your cardboard box. And Eli, you can go ahead and do that as well. And we're going to just keep adding lots of paper until you can get the shape that you're really hoping for. So then just rub your fingers down, taking off any extra. There you go. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and run another one through. And so this might take a little bit of time for you to add enough layers. And you're just going to keep adding layers. And one thing you want to watch, though, is your hands are going to get quite goopy and you're going to get a lot of chunks on there. You can just use that to wipe on another piece. But you do not want large chunks of this paste because it is going to take a long time for it to dry. And so we'll be back. We're going to go ahead and build on this, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we have been building on this. Eli has taken a break. He is outside. And I'm going to show you what it's looking like. And if you've been following along with yours, it is quite wet. And you can see that it is going to take some time to need to dry. Now, we did have to mix up some more. So you can use more or less depending on how you need it. And you can make this quite as large as you would like. Just remember that the bigger it is, the longer it's going to require to dry. Once this is dried, we'll come back and we're going to look at painting it to make it look more like an actual volcano right now. It's just a big newspaper mound. So we're gonna figure out some paint choices and be as creative as you would like to build that volcano. So thank you.